Here is the website we use to create our color palette. So it's called Coolors, so Coolors. This website was absolutely brilliant in order to come up with a color scheme. So we picked some neon colors that matched some neutral colors as well. So all we did was look at some of the schemes. So you can explore colors here if you want. We just looked at these and we went with something with vibrant colors that stuck out. So this is kind of helpful for the Game Jam logo as well. So initially we went with something, so these are all pastel colors. We liked the pastel, but they didn't stick out as much. So we kind of went with neon colors like this. So what we did was we went to the generator, and then you can generate your own colors. You can change your color palette. If you're not happy with that, you literally just start the generator again and literally gives you all different colors again. So all you do is pick the colors from the exploring. So if you like this color, it's copied to your clipboard. So all you have to do then is go back into your generator. It's really fast, really easy to use, really quick, really enjoyable as well. So go to your generator and then you apply your color. So you literally just apply the color here. So you literally just click on the color and then you paste the color that you like. So I like this blue here. I think it went really well with the posters and the color scheme that we had picked. So overall, I think that went really well. So with the color scheme in mind, this is the kind of general run and idea we had. So the Game Jam ideas. So I created this on Millenote. So it's a mood board. So as you can see, the theme, neon colors with Twitch page for the website, and then font that could be used, strict, bold, e.g. serif font. So we just had a quick look on Google Images and different hackathon pages and Game Jam pages of what was most popular. So the neon really stuck out. So the dark colors in the back and then the neon colors to the front. So then here was just some font ideas and then how to design an event flyer. So this again, dark colors in the back and then neon in the front. So then using pictures like this just to grasp everyone's attention and just it draws you in. So then we have more images we just put onto the mood board. I think this was really helpful because we then sent this mood board on to Natalie and Helen. And they were really happy with the outcome. They really liked the idea and how easy the mood board was to use. So then we had include different language for the landing page. So join, welcome, sign up in maybe French, Irish, just different languages. And then banner on the Twitch page. So something like this. So it's just someone gaming and having fun. And then we just had types of sponsors that we could potentially approach. So Domino's, Press Up Entertainment, Uber Eats, Apache, Dunn Stores for goodie bags, Boojum, Bunsen Burger, One for All gift cards, Monster, Red Bull, Candy Lab, hampers, charity events, and donate prizes. And they were all just kind of ideas we bounced off each other. Now for the likes of Monster and Red Bull, a lot of drink that just because they game until midnight, so or even later. So that's why we kind of wanted to include them. So then we also included the target group and the social media for the Game Jam. So social media channels, we could use Instagram, Twitter, types of content, posters, video content, feed, stories, and then content calendar, create content calendar, posting 4 times a week on both platforms, short video of gaming students explaining why they like gaming, educational purpose, and encouraging others to get involved. And then for the sponsorship, reach out to companies for sponsorship. So examples, online food delivery, and just the ones I went through. So I feel like we completed everything in this social media table. Anything that we wanted to do, we got done from this social media table. So we were able to look back and see what we had come up with in the first stages and our original ideas. So then the document for the target audience, basically just language students, gender, female, male, whichever, age 17 to 24, interests, characteristic, culture, gaming, travel, fashion, exotic food, social media, Instagram, Twitter, Duolingo, which is another game, housing, living alone in student accommodation and looking for something to do in the afternoon, the evening, and wanting a challenge. Some gender male, age 17 to 24, interest YouTube, computer science videos, multiple coding languages, design, Reddit, gadgets, Twitter, Discord, politics, controversial topics. So the tone of voice for this whole mood board, this whole game jam would be professional, humor, and first person. So our main aim was really kind of targeting language students, website and app developers, creative digital media students, lecturers, and computer students. So they were all the type of people that we thought that would sign up for this event. So that's why we wanted to target them as much as we could. So overall, I feel like the mood board was a really good way to portray our work and what our visualization was. After all, a mood board is a visual presentation that combines design elements into one arrangement. So it's a way to communicate the vision and theme of a project, especially ones that rely on creativity. So I feel like when we had sent this off to Natalie and Helen, they were immediately drawn in by the fact that there was loads of colour, and then it's quite easy layout as well, so very easy to read. So really overall, the mood board has many different elements, so such as saving time, inspiration, springing ideas off others, refine visions, allowing for modifications. You can change anything. You can go back to the mood board if you wanted. So even when I sent the link to Natalie and Helen, they were able to add things in if they wanted. So it kind of fosters a stronger client relationship. So because you can bounce ideas off each other, and can be used for references and keeps project goals on track. And designing the perfect mood board was middle note, I found.